Today I am going to talk to you about something that is on most parents' minds at the minute, and that's the SEAG transfer test results. Your child's transfer test result will be available from 8 AM on Saturday the 25th of January, and you will be able to get this on your child's SEAG dashboard. So this is where you submitted the SEAG application. You're going to use the same login details, and my top tip is to check those login details a couple of days before. So that means if you can't remember your password, you can get it all sorted and you won't be stressing out on the Saturday morning. So I am going to show you quickly how to find your child's SEAG transfer test result. So you're going to go to Google, and you can do this on your laptop or your phone or your tablet, whatever, and you're going to type SEAG login. And it's the first one here, the SEAG home, and it says sign in. So you're going to click on that and you will enter your email address and password. And this is the email address and password that you use to sign up for the application process for SEAG. If you can't remember, you can click forgot your password and you can get your login details all reset again.